Picture walking into a castle where you've got armor and gargoyles and dim light. This tableau unfolds in front of you of a Mediterranean courtyard at night. You're under a starry sky, all of these statues and birds and columns, and right in the middle of that, a movie screen. They don't build them like this anymore. Tampa Theatre opened in 1926 as one of the grand silent movie palaces. You are walking the same tile, the same lobby, the same feeling that people have been having walking into this building for 93 years. People can still come and see a brand new movie that came out last week or a brand old movie that came out 100 years ago. Go see your superhero movies at the Cineplex. But that film that you're looking around going, well, who would have shown that? Tampa Theatre would have shown that. Good culture, good art is the fabric of your community. There are a lot of places in Central Florida that have fine arts. I think Tampa really has fun arts. You can come to a movie at Tampa Theatre. You can dress up when you come see a sing-along film. You can get involved and you can touch it and feel it and run up to it and hug it and really embrace the fun that is Tampa.